Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. So guys, finally we are here with the much requested KVPY session. So if you're all excited, if you're all so happy for the session, give me a thumbs up, show the excitement guys. That would be awesome. We are finally going to look at KVPY SA Geometry. So it's a very important section because like I said in the strategy video, if you want to aim for a high score, your geometry has to be really good. Okay. Hi Janavi, welcome. Venisha, Kashyap, Yogesh, welcome guys. Definitely KVPY VSG. KVPY is a more difficult exam than JEE Mains for sure. Hi Tejaswini, welcome. Yes. Janavi, it will get adjusted automatically, don't worry. As we move into the session, it will be perfect. So guys, today we are going to look at KVPY SA. So SA is for the 11th standard students and the exam is on Jan 31st. So we have exactly around 2 months left out. So let's utilize these 2 months wisely and I'm going to help you constantly. It is not like this is a special class. I'm going to take it every week and in a week we'll have 2 sessions, one for 11th and one for 12th. I'm going to cover all the topics required for performing well. Make use of these sessions and work on your side. Okay, so that is all I expect from you. No Venisha, we are going to have weekday sessions also. So like I promised, we are going to take responsibility for all of you guys and we will make sure that you perform your potential best on that day, Jan 31st. Okay? Yes, Anisha, this is for 11th standard. Welcome. So nice to have you here. So guys, before we get started, I want to introduce myself for all the students who are coming here for the first time. My name is Shimon Joseph and I am a math master teacher here at Vedantu. My background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. And when I was like you guys, I wrote KVPY both in my 11th standard and in my 12th standard. And in both the times I cleared the aptitude test. But in 12th, I was awarded the scholarship as well. And when I wrote the JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. And that is the quick introduction. If you guys want to get closer to me, if you want to be a part of this journey, JEE Enthuse channel, then definitely follow me on Instagram. You can message me your doubts, your queries. If you like the class, you can let me know and we will have a great time together there. Okay? Definitely VSG, it will be helpful. Welcome guys. So shall we move ahead? So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. This is the first question for you. Please try to solve it. Hi Shri Charan, welcome man. So guys, today is geometry and as you guys can see, I'm gonna take all KVPY previous year's questions so that you get used to it. KVPY exam is not gonna be a piece of cake. It is something which you have to learn, put some effort and you have to develop the skill of solving questions. And that is exactly what I will be aiding you with. So take these classes very seriously. And if you feel someone is preparing very hard for this exam and they want to get a good rank, let them know that we are teaching so that they can also benefit from this. Okay? Perfect. Yes, Olivia, absolutely. Essex schedule. I will show you guys the schedule in a while. You guys will definitely get the schedule. It is there in the session PDF. Okay? So be a part of the Telegram group, Banu, you will get it. So we are getting answers from Olivia as D. We are getting answers from Sonu as C. And Chaitanya, welcome man. So nice to have you here. How many of you are able to solve this? Sankari Subramanian, welcome. Very good afternoon. Yes, Abhijit, we will cover all the topics of Essex for sure. I will do algebra, I will do calculus, I will do coordinate geometry. These are the 3 major sections and they will help you score a very good mark. Anisha says 27. Kashyap says C. Hi Jerome, welcome man. So guys, What do you think is the answer? Ishmita, very good afternoon. Welcome. This is for SA Shankari, but don't worry, for SX also we have classes and that will be in the next week. Banu, I will teach theory through questions because if I slightly focus more on theory, then it would take a very long time for us to cover portions. Okay, so guys, you are all right. You guys are really awesome. If you solve this on your own, I'm going to give you a star because this is a good question. And you know what? By the trick which I'm going to teach you, you can solve it in less than 5 seconds. What is that? You can solve it in less than 5 seconds. Sir, what is that trick? And you know what? You guys actually know it. Do you all remember if you have any random triangle and let's say the vertices are A, B and C, do you guys remember something called as the triangle rule or triangular inequality? What does triangular inequality say? It says that the sum of any two sides of a triangle will always be greater than the third side. Don't you guys agree with me on that? Hi Praveshini, welcome and very good to have you here. Good afternoon. So guys, everybody understands this, that in a triangle, we all know that the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. Everybody knows that. Now, there is something like this for quadrilaterals also. So if I have a quadrilateral like this, let's say we have A, B, C, D. Let's call this A, B, C and D. The quadrilateral rule goes like this. The sum of three sides of the quadrilateral is always greater than the third side. Are you all clear? Yes, Lalit. I am trying to go step by step, Lalit. That is why I gave you triangle and I explained what is triangular inequality. From that, I am trying to extend it to quadrilateral. So what you guys are supposed to note down, you're supposed to note down this. This is new to you. So there is something called as quadrilateral inequality also, where your sum of three sides of the quadrilateral should be greater than the third side. Are you able to understand? Everybody, for quadrilateral and triangle VSG. So now moving forward, I want to know the largest side. So let us say D is the greatest side and the second greatest is C, then you have B, then you have A, because all of them are distinct, right? So there are four unequal sides. Let us say D is the greatest of all. Now the second largest side is 10. So this is 10. Okay. So we have A plus B plus 10 is greater than D. So if you want D to be greatest, you have to make AB also greatest. So if you want to make A and B also greatest, can I say this will be 9 and can I say this will be 8? This is what KVPY expects. This is what KVPY expects. This nobody will think. Sir, A and B, I should think and put values. By reasoning, guys, by reasoning. You want D to be maximum. If you want D to be maximum, naturally your A and B also should be highest. But A and B are not equal. So what is the highest value they can take? They can take 8 and 9. Very good, Jerome. I am so happy that you found it. Very good. Yes, Praveshini. I am taking it in that way. So if A is 9 and B is 8 and C is 10, then D will be lesser than 27. If D is less than 27, the answer is option B. Are you guys clear? Did you all like it? Everybody? Amazing question, na? So please make notes. Write down what you learned from this question. Very good, Olivia. Brilliant work. Make a note of it. Okay. For triangles, we have triangular inequality. Just like that, for quadrilaterals also, we have something which goes like sum of the three sides of a quadrilateral is greater than the fourth side. Got it? So I want you guys to be aware of these things. Mickey Pal, we'll have it on Tuesday. Okay. Welcome, Vimal. I was expecting you. Great that you could make it. This is the first question for today's class, Vimal. So let's move forward. Great job, Anisha. Superb. So let us move ahead, guys. Let's go to the second one. So this is the second question. I want all of you guys to try it out. Okay. Yes, Praveshini. Praveshini, sum of any three sides is greater than the fourth side. Okay. So naturally it has to be greater than the largest side also. Hi Madhavi, welcome. I'm seeing you after a long time. So nice to have you back. Welcome back. Okay. So guys, can you all please try it out? This is a wonderful question which was asked in KVPY SA in the year 2016. And I want you guys to overcome the fear of KVPY questions because you can crack this. Just pay attention, think in a very open mind and then do it. Okay. Very good, Venisha. Venisha is awesome because that, Venisha, is the right answer. You are correct. Okay. Hi Pasumpon, welcome man. So nice to have you here. No worries, welcome. Shri Charan says option C. Vishwajit says option C. A lot of people are saying it is option C. And guys, you know what? That's correct. That is absolutely right. So why is it option C which is the right answer? Any guesses? Are the others trying it out? I want everybody to tell me, are you all putting effort, guys? Yes, everybody is trying to solve it. Very good, Anisha. That's awesome. So how do we tackle this question? So first of all, you need to understand what the question is saying. Guys, whenever you have a geometry question, what is the first thing you need to do? You might have heard this from your school teacher, you might have heard this from your coaching institute, or any teacher who has helped you will say one thing when you have a geometry question. What is that? Can you please tell me? Hi Ali, welcome man. I missed you in the last few sessions. Exactly. The first thing you do is figure. Draw the diagram. Because diagram makes it much easier. You visualize better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the diagram for this. I've already come prepared. So can you guys see this clearly? So do you all agree these are the three circles? So this is of radius 1, this is of radius 2, this is of radius 3. Are you guys fine with that? Yep. So now we have a circle like this. We want to find out circumradius of the triangle formed by joining the centers. I want to find the circumcenter of this. Do you guys understand? Now, what is the length of the three sides? Let's call it ABC. So this side AB will be 1 plus 3, which will be 4. This side will be 1 plus 2, which will be 3. And this side will be 3 plus 2, which will be 5. So don't you think 3, 4, 5 are the sides of the triangle? So can I say 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagoras triplet? So can I say ABC will be right angled? Can I say triangle ABC will be right angled? So where will the right angle be? The right angle will be over here. Okay, so if the right angle is over here, then what do you know about circumradius of a right angle triangle? Whenever you have a right angle triangle, the circumcircle will pass through all the three vertices and the diameter will be the hypotenuse. For a right angle triangle, the diameter is the hypotenuse. Are you guys able to understand? The hypotenuse will be one of the diameter. The hypotenuse will be one of the diameter because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So what can I say from here? From here, I know this is 5. Okay, I know that the hypotenuse is 5 units. So the radius is equal to hypotenuse divided by 2, and that will be option C. Are you guys able to follow? Did you guys love it? Did you guys love this question? Everybody clear with it? I want everybody to answer. If you guys are enjoying the session, give me a thumbs up quickly, guys. Okay, so we have come up with this wonderful session on KVPY SA Geometry based on all your requests. So I want you guys to make the best use of it, and don't think it is going to be only one day. It is not Sunday alone. Sunday is not the only fun day. We'll have fun almost every day of the week. So I have many more plans. Yes, Vishwajit, I have taken KVPY SA sessions last year as well. So you can check it out in the Vedantu JEE channel. Exactly, Ali. So shall we move forward? Yes? Everybody clear? If anybody has doubt, feel free to ask, okay? So here, I will definitely answer your questions completely. Got it? Definitely, Ishmita. I will for sure. Okay, definitely you guys should show us some love. Definitely let your friends know and bring some people over here because this is a new channel and we want to reach out to a lot of people. Okay, so guys, the schedule is out. This is the surprise I'm talking about. So as you can see, the math schedule for next week. How many of you are excited? Straight lines is the topic which I'm going to teach for you in detail. Straight lines 1, straight lines 2, straight lines 3 and straight lines advanced problem solving. So 4 sessions dedicated for straight lines. At the end of these 4 sessions, you will be next level. You will be able to solve any questions of JEE Mains. I can guarantee you. Okay. And on Tuesday at midnight, 10:30, on Tuesday night, we have algebra. So are you guys ready for algebra? Yes, KVPY SX, the 12th standard guys, even the 11th standard people can attend this. Even the 11th standard people can attend this. Okay, so KVPY algebra is there on Tuesday. And on Thursday, what do we have at night? At night, we have best of JEE Mains. Best of JEE Mains. So I am going to take the best questions from the recent year JEE Mains and I'm going to discuss it in a live session. I'm going to take the best questions of JEE Mains and I'm going to discuss it in a live session. At what time? At a time of 10:30 p.m. which everybody can attend. Which everybody can attend. Okay. Yes, Abhishek, I'm going to take all units together, Abhishek. I'm not going to take chapter by chapter. Like today I have taken geometry. Next I will take algebra. It's like that. Okay. Yes, we have mega mentee of integral calculus. Ali, very good man. You remember everything. Perfect. Yes, Nawami, don't worry. Okay. So then you have integration at the end of the week. So this is the wonderful week we have planned for you the coming December 7th to 12th. Okay. This is a mentee quiz. So mentee quiz, you have integral calculus for maths, and for physics you have current electricity, and for chemistry you have electrochemistry. So this is the schedule. Okay. Everybody clear? So shall we come back to our thing? Shall we come back to our KVPY? Very good, Ali. I'm so glad that you enjoyed it. So guys, like always, definitely, if you guys are new here, give it a subscribe and I'm sure you will enjoy the journey with us. I'm sure you will be preparing for 3-4 months because you're in 12th standard and you will pass out soon. So I want you guys to be a part of this journey of JEE Enthuse at least for the next 3-4 months if you are serious about your exam preparation. Okay? Very good. So definitely give it a like, give it a subscribe and let your people know about this. Okay. So here we go. Now I'm going to increase the difficulty level. So this is a 2017 question. Hi Saurav, welcome man. Very good Ishmita. Great. So this is a question from 2017. I want you guys to think about it and answer. You might be thinking, sir, this is a very simple 10th standard level area question, sir. Did they ask this in KVPY? Yes, you do get questions on areas. You do get questions on volume as well. Because KVPY SA, the syllabus is up to 10th standard portion. Manju Jain, welcome. So nice to have you here. It is not 25 because Praveshini, we want to find the largest side. So it should be less than 27. So what is the largest number less than 27? It is 26, na? So that is why I said 26 is the answer. Okay, Archana. I just realized it. The moment I said, I realized it was you. Great. So how many of you are solving it? Are you guys doing it? Yes? People, are you doing it? All of you guys are very serious, man. Okay, great. That is good. Yeah, try to solve it. Okay, good. Exactly, Ali. These come under areas and volumes, which is mensuration. Yes, you're right. Okay, Sri Charan says B. Anisha, very good. So guys, how's the Josh? Ishmita says notebooks are already open. Are you guys excited? Are you all solving? Writing down the question. Very good, Ishmita. Ali says hi. Great. Saurav Mishra says A. So let's check it, Saurav. Pasumpon says B. Venisha says D. So all options are covered now. So let's see which one is right and which one is wrong. Okay. So guys, please listen carefully here. This is a good question. Okay. Because it might seem easy, but you have to do it very carefully. You cannot afford to go wrong or go in a slightly different direction even in one step. Okay. So listen very carefully. I think the answer is A. Okay. I think the answer is A. We will check it. So first of all, the diagonal AC is a tangent to the circle. Do you guys understand that? The diagonal AC is a tangent to the sector AX. Okay, the arc AX, right? Arc AX. For that, AC is a tangent. Do you guys understand that? So if AC is a tangent and OA is the radius, do you all agree OA is the radius of the circle? OA is the radius of circle. Because guys, let me come this side and write it down. Okay, I was about to fall. So here we have a circle now. Got it? So radius and tangent will have an angle of 90 degree. Radius and tangent will have an angle of 90 degree. Are you guys able to understand that? And do you agree that this angle is 45? This angle, because diagonal of a square will make an angle 45 with one of the sides containing that diagonal. Yes? Are you all able to understand? Very good, Archana. Perfect. So can I say this is also 45? Are you guys able to grasp that? Are you guys able to understand it? Can you guys draw the figure? Only then you will be able to follow me step by step. So first of all, since the diagonal is a tangent to that circle, the angle will be 90 degree. Okay. And this is 45 because diagonal makes an angle 45 with one of the side containing that diagonal. Now if this is 45, this should also be 45. Are you all clear? Nobody has a doubt? Till this step, I hope everybody is clear. So what do we have? Let me draw that triangle OAD. So if I draw the triangle OAD, do you guys understand that this is 45 and this is 1? Because AD is 1. AD is 1. Very good. Very good. You got it, Ishmita? Because diagonal of a square will make an angle 45. Na? This we know that. So if you have a square, if you have a diagonal, this is 45, Ishita, and this is also 45. That's how I did it. Okay. Everybody clear with that? So now, since it's a unit square, that means side of square is equal to 1 unit. So that is why I did AD is equal to 1. Because Olivia, it's a unit square. What is AD, Olivia? AD is side of a square, na? AD is side of a square. Very good, Sri Charan. Because this is 1, this will also be 1 because this angle is 45 degree. We know tan 45 is perpendicular by adjacent. So 1 by 1 will give you tan 45. Got it? So this has to be root 2. Hypotenuse. So the radius of this circle is nothing but root 2. Did you all understand till here? Because guys, I'm gonna erase a few things. If you have got it till here, I'm gonna erase a few things. So let's move forward. Okay, very good, Ishmita, that's awesome. So now this is root 2. So what can I say? Can I say area of shaded region? Area of shaded region is equal to square minus, what is this area? Square minus ADX. Do you all understand? Square minus ADX. Are you all clear? That will give me the answer. So what is area of square? Area of square is 1. And what is area of ADX? ADX is nothing but the sector OAXD. It is nothing but sector OAXD minus triangle OAD. Minus triangle OAD. How many of you can follow this? Are you guys able to understand? So that is going to be 1 minus, what is area of sector OAXD? Area of sector is nothing but, this angle is again, this angle is going to be how much? This is 45, so this is 90, this will also be 45. So it will be 45 by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle is half base into height. Can you calculate the answer? Can you guys do it? Was it a laddu question? Did you all understand? Did you like the questions which are asked in KVPY? Very good. Welcome Saurav Jaiswal. Sali, welcome. That's perfectly right. Ishmita, very good. Very good, Olivia. That's awesome. Exactly, Saurav. Very good. Perfect. So are you all clear with this, guys? This is the way to do it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, we will move ahead. Yep. Everybody got it? So can you guys give me a thumbs up? Saurav has got it. Very good, Saurav. What about the others? Gagan Narang has got it. Very good, Gagan. Vimal, superb. So let us go ahead. We have a lot of wonderful questions like this to discuss. What's the laddu question? Laddu questions, very few are there in KVPY because this is KVPY. This is not JEE Mains. Okay, maybe in JEE Mains I can show you laddu questions. KVPY, most of the questions are good. And I have told you already in my strategy video that KVPY Maths is a bit difficult. Okay, so KVPY Math is a bit difficult than other subjects. So you have to be prepared, guys. And for those who are watching it later, guys, I have attached the session PDF. So if you are part of the Telegram group which JEE Enthuse channel has, you will get the session PDF. You can download it and you can go through it. Okay. Yes, Subrata, we will do KVPY teaching as well. So right now we are looking at KVPY previous year's questions so that you guys get to know what level of questions they expect. This is a slightly easy question. I would say this is a laddu question. Can you guys please try it out? Everybody? Can you guys please try it out? All of you should try it out. Okay? See if you can crack it. See if you guys can crack it. Okay. Good. Okay, okay. I'll call you Veera, man. Veera is better. Is Olympiad level of preparation of math is enough? For KVPY, it is more than enough. Yeah. KVPY is not very similar to Olympiad, Sonu. So I would recommend you to look at previous year's questions. Then you will understand. Shreya Mahadevan. Shreya Mahendran, I'll do it almost 3 days a week. Yes, we will do 3 days a week. Pakka. Takshit, welcome man. Very good afternoon. Sir, where to get such theorems? So, I would say, Praveshini, such theorems you have to read books. You'll have to read 300, 400 pages to get it. So that is why I recommend you guys to watch this channel. Okay, because in this channel, every 3-4 questions I will teach you new theorems, and that will expose you to better methods of solving. Okay? Otherwise you have to read books 300-400 pages. So that is necessary. Okay? Yes, guys, try not to spam. Okay? Please don't spam because others are getting disturbed. Vimal, we will come up with schedule of physics and chemistry slowly. As of now, it will be math. Subrata Das is saying, sir, please teach outside of previous years. Subrata, from next session onwards, I will include some new questions from my side, which I feel might come in your exam. Okay, I will include those questions also. Got it? So guys, everybody, please listen. Tejaswini has got it. Very good, Tejaswini. That is awesome. And I will show you how simple this question is. I want you guys to understand that if you guys are thinking with an open mind, you will be able to solve questions like this, because these questions are just logical and aptitude based. You need not be very skilled in maths. Let me show you that. Okay? And you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So first of all, I hope everybody knows what is collinear. Collinear means they are nothing but lying on the straight line. So A is over here, B is over here, C is over here, and D is over here. Did you guys understand that? I hope everybody remembers this. Yes, Saurav, there are KVPY courses going on in Vedantu. If you are interested, you have to check it out. Okay, KVPY courses are going on right now. Definitely, Gyansham, I'll try to do that. Okay. Everybody clear? So what do we have? We have AB is to CD as 3:2. So we have AB is to CD as 3:2. So can I say AB is 3x and CD is 2x? Do you guys understand that? Are you all okay with that? Everybody? Are you all okay with that? Yes? Everybody comfortable with it? Are you guys totally fine? Now what else do we have? We have BC is to AD as 1:5. So let's take BC as some y. So what is BC is to AD? BC is to AD is nothing but y by 5x plus y is equal to 1/5. Are you all clear with that? So can I say it will be 5y is equal to 5x plus y. So you will get 4y is equal to 5x. So this is a very nice relation we got. Now what do you want to find? We want to find AC is to BD. So AC is to BD is nothing but 3x plus y divided by BD is y plus 2x. Do you all understand that? And what is y? Y is nothing but 5x by 4. So put that over here, 3x plus 5x by 4 divided by 5x plus 4. So what do you get? You get 17 by 13. So that is my answer. Was it difficult? 5x plus y, how? Because AD is what, Ishmita? 3x plus y plus 2x. So 3x plus 2x is 5x plus y na, Ishmita. Did you understand that now? Are you clear, Ishmita? That is the way to do it. So this was a laddu question. So this was probably one of the easiest questions, I would say. Are you all able to understand? So don't directly assume that KVPY question, everything is going to be very hard. Sometimes you can do it in a very easy manner. You just have to look out for easy approaches. Okay. So that is what I'm going to teach you in these sessions. So if you guys are clear with it, if everybody has got it, then let's all go together to the next question. Everybody ready? Yes? Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. Awesome. Great. Great. So let us move ahead to the next question, which is right on your screen here. This is a brilliant question. Can you all try it? So this is one of the probable questions you can say. And this is based on triangles. Let me check how many of my students are aware of how to tackle this question and how to master this. Sir, can you tell me the formula of area of sector? So, Sankari, sector means it is a part of a circle, like a pie, like a pizza piece, right? So, if the sector's angle is theta and if the radius of the circle is r, then the area is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. If theta is in degree. If theta is in radians, then it will be theta by 2 pi into pi r square. Understood? So these are the formulas used to find the area of a sector. Are you clear with it? So Pasumpon and Janavi, Veera and Janavi are saying Pakka C is the answer, sir. Shreya, Mahendran, Sudruti, everybody seems to say C is Pakka the right answer. So let's check it. Okay, so we have Frank Barrett from US. That's awesome. So how do we solve this question? Can you guys let me know? Do you have any approaches in your mind? So we are given cos A by A equal to cos B by B is equal to cos C by C. This seems similar to something we know. How many of you remember sine rule? So this looks very similar to sine rule, but instead of sine you have cos here. Instead of sine you have cos here. So what should we do and how should we approach it? Let me teach you, listen very carefully. So in triangles, we have something called as a sine rule, which says sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to sine C by C. So this is pakka true for any triangle. Okay. This is pakka true for any triangle and it is called as a sine rule. So can I divide both of them? So if I divide these equalities with these equalities, I will get cot A equal to cot B equal to cot C. So when is this possible? Cot of angle A is equal to cot of angle B is equal to cot of angle C. That will happen only when A equal to B equal to C for a triangle. Are you guys clear? Otherwise it is not possible. Everybody fine with it? So now that we know all the angles are equal, then pakka all the angles must be equal to 60 degree because angle sum in a triangle is 180. So each angle must be 60 degrees. So now that we know it's an equilateral triangle, I can easily find out the area. So what is the area of an equilateral triangle? It is root 3 by 4 into A square. And what is A square? A square is 2 square, right? So I can cancel off these 2. So the answer is option D. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys got it. Yep. Everybody clear? So can you guys give me a thumbs up if everybody has got it? In case you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay? No problem, Shreya. That's good. Sine B by B. Yeah. Sine B by B. That's correct. All of you got it? Superb. I'm so happy that you guys are having fun. So let's move forward to the next question which I have got for you. Okay, Saurav, no problem. So Saurav has also got it. Very good, Saurav. Now, moving on to the next question. I want everybody to try it out. Okay. So first of all, whenever you have a geometry based question, you have such a lengthy question. Look at this. This size of question itself is so huge. So what do you do first? First, try to break down the question, read it correctly and draw a very nice figure for it. Okay. Draw a good diagram which tells you what is given in the question and then start solving. Okay. Even if you spend 1 minute on that, it's totally fine. It is totally fine. So please try to draw the diagram and then we will go for it. Okay. Malavika, you can't do all geometry questions by coordinate geometry. That is not possible. But some of them you can do it. Okay. And Venisha, I have not taken trigonometry completely in this channel. I will take it up once we are done with coordinate geometry. Okay. Because a lot of your friends requested me to do coordinate geometry first. So everybody wants me to solve straight lines, circles, conic sections, and then we will go for it. Very true, Tarun. That's right. So Tarun, we will practice such questions. Slowly we will get better at it. I will show you how to solve them. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, Nikhil Raj Purohit. Yes, Praveshini, class 10 basics is totally enough. Shreya, Menti, I will not be able to give you much time. Na? KVPY questions take time to solve. So you can't finish it in 1 minute. It's very difficult. Unless you know it before, it is difficult for you to solve it in under a minute. So that is why I give you time. The reason why I gave you the question and I'm talking to you is because I want some of you guys to put pen to paper. So you need to put your pen to paper and you have to solve it. Only then you might reach the answer. Okay, so shall we discuss it, guys? Everybody. So did you all get the diagram correct? The answer is going to be half, but did you get the diagram correct? So this is how the diagram looks like. This is how the diagram looks like. So let me help you with the solution. But before that, check if you got the diagram right. We have many more questions, Vimal. So let's try to solve all of them. Okay. I am really excited so that you guys can learn a great deal of information about geometry. So let's be fully enthusiastic till the end of this wonderful session on KVPY questions. Okay. So what do we have? We have AB to be a line segment of length 2. So this is AB and it has length 2 units. You are drawing a semicircle S with AB as diameter. So this semicircle is my S. Do you all understand? Now, what do we have? C is the midpoint of arc AB. So that means this point is C and these two arcs are equal in length. So AC arc is equal to CB arc. Everybody, this is how you approach. You need to get every statement right. Now another semicircle is constructed with AC as diameter and that is how the circle looks like. So first of all, do you guys understand this is 90 degree? Do you guys understand that is angle C is 90 degree? Because AB is the diameter. Diameter will always subtend a right angle at the circumference. Very good, Veera, that's awesome. The diameter will always subtend a right angle at the circumference. Now, do you guys understand this side and this side are equal because it's a symmetric figure. C is exactly in the middle. C is exactly in the middle. So these two sides must be equal. Are you all clear with that? So if these two sides are equal, let's take them to be x and this as x. So can I say by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus x square is equal to 2 square. So can I say x square is equal to 2? So x is equal to root 2. Are you guys clear with that? So can I say x is equal to root 2? Everybody fine with it? Everybody cool with it? Yes? Any questions? Please let me know. Was it difficult until here? It was just interpreting information. What they have given in the question, I interpreted it and I wrote it in a very elegant, easy to do manner. Got it? So once that is done, we have AC now. We have AC now. So let's have a look at it, how to solve it. So we know that our AC is root 2. So the radius will be 1 by root 2. Because diameter is root 2. So radius will be half of diameter, which will be 1 by root 2. Now what do we want to find? We want to find out the area of the region inside this semicircle. Are you guys getting it? So this is what we want to find out. Are you all fine with that? Are you all fine with that? Everybody? Yes. So this is B. This is your S. Circle S, and this is your circle T. So how do we get it? Even after this, it is not simple. Can you guys try it? Can you guys try it? I'll give you 30 seconds. So first what I'll do is, I will get the equation of this entire area of this entire semicircle. What is the area of this entire semicircle? It is pi by 2 into r square. R square is 1 by root 2 square. Did you all understand that? That is the area of this complete square. Complete semicircle. So from this complete semicircle, I need to remove this region. I need to remove this region. Do you guys agree? I need to remove this region. How do I do that? I need to get rid of this particular region. How do I do that? That is what you guys have to think about. Yeah? So let us call the area of this region as y. Can I say this will also be y? Can I say this will also be y? Yes, because these two are equal, na? So if I subtract y from here, I will get my answer. I will get my answer if I subtract y. Yes. Are you guys clear with it? Are you guys clear with it? Now let's remove everything. So I know my answer is pi by 4 minus y. Do you all understand that? Keep it in your mind. My answer is pi by 4 minus y. Do you all understand that? If you have understood this, let me know, because I'm going to erase it. I'm going to erase it. Are you all clear with it? Brilliant. So let's erase this. Now our job is to find y alone. Okay. Now this is A, this is B. So this is the midpoint. Can I say this is 1, this is 1? Since this is the radius, can I say it is exactly at the center, and this will also be 1? So the area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base into height, which will be 1. Are you guys clear with that? Area of triangle ABC will be equal to half into base AB into height 1. Are you guys clear with that? Everybody? So now the semicircle with AB as diameter. Semicircle with AB as diameter, area is equal to half into pi into r square. Okay. So now can I say that area of semicircle is equal to triangle ABC plus 2y? How many of you agree with me on this? So this is what? Pi by 2 into 1 square is equal to half into 2 into 1 plus 2y. So 2y is equal to pi by 2 minus 1. So y is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. That is your y. Done. Done. Because what is the answer? Our answer was supposed to be pi by 4 minus y. So what is pi by 4 minus y? Did you guys get it? So even though it looks like 10th standard question, it takes time. See, ideally you should have done this in 3 minutes. I would have spent probably 3 minutes on this question in an exam. Because I was explaining, it took a lot of time. But in an exam, I would suggest you to spend maximum 3 to 4 minutes on this, not more than that. Okay? Yes, Mohammed. Geometry will definitely help, because in 12th we have something called as coordinate geometry. And Mohammed, I am starting for SX also from next week. Okay? From next week we will have for SX students also. Try to be a part of those classes. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody, are you all clear with it? Brilliant, brilliant. Very good, Tejaswini. That is awesome. So if you guys are done, then let's proceed. Let's go to the next question which I have for you. But before that, guys, I am sure everybody is aware of the KVPY classes in Vedantu. So if you want, sir, don't just take previous year's questions, sir. Can you teach in detail? I am really serious about KVPY and I want to do well in that. I have 2 more months left out because the exam is on January 31st. So if you are someone like that, then definitely the pro subscription will help you even better. Okay. So Subrata, the classes are going on in KVPY right now. You can join right now immediately because just now it has started. So you won't lose out on much. So we have KVPY JEE Mains Crash Course, everything included as part of this subscription. You have teachers who teach in Hindi as well as English. You have 20 years, teachers with experience more than 5 years teaching toppers. More than 20 such teachers are there and they are here to help you guys have a great time. Okay. Are you all clear? Okay. So there are many batches, Sukriti. I think you will have to probably try out the batches there. So I have seen the batches. Some of the batches are taken by Surendra sir. Some of the batches are taken by Aditya sir. Both of whom have immense load of experience. Surendra sir teaches IMO students and Aditya sir has brilliant experience producing JEE toppers. Both teachers are extraordinary and math is going to be the determining factor. So that is why I spoke only about the math teachers. You guys can check it. Okay. So this is the coupon code SHJ Pro. So you get a 20% off if you guys do it right now. Okay. So 20% off, I think the price comes out to be around 3,000, 4,000 per month. Okay, if you guys are interested. Very good, Saurav. That's awesome, man. So let us move ahead and go to the next question. So this is the next question which I have for you. Please try to go through it and let me know how to solve it. I want everybody to try it out. All of you should try it out. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask. What would be a safe mark for IISc admission? So Vimal Raj, for IISc admission, you guys have to get a very good score because only those who are in the top 200 ranks will get an invite. So it is not like automatic process wherein you have to apply. No, Vimal. If you get a good score, they will send a letter to your house. You cannot apply. Okay. So that is how it works. Yes, Anurag, it will definitely help you for SX. I have separate lectures for SX planned this week, Anurag. Okay, on Tuesday night. So try to be a part of it. It will be wonderful. Hi Ajo, welcome. Hi Paul Samuel, welcome man. So a safe mark, Vimal, I would say is around 70 to 75. Okay, if you are aiming for IISc. Because Vimal, unless you score 70, 75, you will not be in top 200, top 100. And because of that, you cannot make it into IIT or IISc. Got it? So IISc, only the top 100 or top 200 people get it. Not everybody. Not every KVPY scholar gets IISc call. IISc call letter will come only for those who are in the top ranks. So please be very clear of it. Okay. What do you mean by LAN, Pasumpon? You're saying internet. Can a JEE dropper attend KVPY? See, Ajo, KVPY SX will help you in your JEE preparation, but SA not very much because SA syllabus is different, Ajo. Got it? If we clear KVPY in 11th, do they get enrolled in IISc? You have to clear with a very good rank, Praveshini. Unless you clear with a very good rank, you cannot get into IISc. Okay? So, shall we solve this question? Saurav, you have to check it. The answer is option D, guys. The answer is option D. Okay? So, shall we all do it together? Let's do it together. It is fun that way. Okay? So, let me explain the question and you guys see if I am interpreting it correctly. So, first let's draw a square. We have A, B, C and D of side 1. So this is 1 and this is also 1. Do you guys understand that? I read first statement. Then, and T is a circle passing through B and C. It passes through B and C and it touches AD. So touching AD. You see that? Are you all clear with that? Everybody? So the center of the circle will be somewhere here. Do you agree if I take A to be the origin? So Malavika, you asked me to use coordinate geometry, right? I'm using coordinate geometry. If I take A to be the origin, can I say the center of this circle will be radius comma half? Why half? Because the perpendicular from center will bisect any chord, and since it is touching over here, it will bisect the side of the square because it's a symmetric figure, isn't it? So the y coordinate of your center will be half. Now we know that B is 1, 0 and C is 1, 1 and D is 0, 1. Are you guys clear with that? Now do you all agree, if this is my center O, can I say OC is equal to R? Now what is distance OC? Distance formula, root of R minus 1 the whole square plus half minus 1 the whole square is equal to R. So can I solve this? So how will you get it? You will get R square plus 1 minus 2R plus 1 by 4 is equal to R square. So R square will get cancelled. So you will get 2R is equal to 5 by 4. So R is equal to 5 by 8, and that will be my answer for this question. I hope you guys got it. Everybody clear with it? Yes? So Saurav, if you are in 9th, I would recommend you to study biology properly because I'm sure you will do well in maths. You are very good at maths, so maybe biology you should focus on because KVPY biology will give you a lot of edge. Okay, so if you are really serious about getting a good rank, make sure your biology is top notch. Okay. How is the climate here in Chennai? It is raining, man. Every night it rains a lot. Yes, Mickey Pal. So Mickey Pal, what I did was, from the question, I drew a very nice diagram. No, Ajo, you cannot write KVPY if you are a dropper. KVPY you can write only when you are in school. So if you want to write KVPY, you need to enroll in a college and you can write SB. So if you are studying BSc or BS in any college, then you can write SB. Guys, SB is not for biology. SB is for undergraduate students. Okay. To get IIT Madras, you have to get a minimum rank of around 5,000, 6,000. It depends. If you are in general category, I think 5,000 might be the last rank. If you are in some other category, then you can get even greater ranks. Okay. Which is better? Clearing in 11th standard is better, definitely. SA is definitely going to be better. No, Ramchand. So, Mickey Pal, what I did was, I drew the figure and I used coordinate geometry. So, Malavika was asking, right, to use coordinate geometry. So, I took A vertex to be 0, 0, and then because I took it like that, my B is 1, 0. My B is 1, 0, C is 1, 1, D is 0, 1. I hope you understood that. Because the side of the square is 1. Now after that, Malavika, Mickey Pal and Ishmita, what we are doing is we are drawing a circle which touches AD and passes through B and C. It passes through B and C and it touches AD. So if it touches AD, then that means the circle is symmetric, right, about this line. So if it is symmetric, then the y coordinate will be exactly at the middle. So the y coordinate of the center will be exactly at the middle, which will be half. Because this is 0, this is 1. So the center will be half. X coordinate I don't know. But if x coordinate is r, the radius also will be r. Because it touches the y axis. So what is x coordinate of the center? It is distance from the axis, right? That is nothing but radius. So that is why I wrote r comma 1 by 2. Now we know OC is also r. So I equated distance formula to be equal to r. That's it. That's it. You can take OB also. You will get the same thing, man. Jahnavi, you can take OB also. You will get the same answer. Don't worry. You can try it out. You will get the same thing. Okay, so shall we move forward? For research, IISc is definitely better in case of physics, but in case of maths, I think CMI is better. Okay. In case of maths, CMI is better, but in case of research, definitely IISc is better for physics. Okay. So guys, with that, let us move ahead to next great questions. This is amazing, amazing question. You guys will love it because I'm going to use very cool properties here and you guys will definitely love the properties which are used here. Try it out with all your effort, with all your hard work. Then after that, I will discuss it. Okay? Please do it, guys. Everybody try it out. NTSE or KVPY? NTSE and KVPY cannot be compared because NTSE is for 10th standard, man. KVPY is for 11th. So I would say both are important, but if you are very serious about IIT, I would say KVPY is more important. Okay? Very good, Anisha. I'm so happy that you're enjoying it. Guys, are you all enjoying the session? I want you guys to let me know. Are you all excited and pumped up? Or are you getting scared of KVPY? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Everybody, all those who are in the session, can you guys give me a quick thumbs up? All of you. Okay? I want to see some excitement in the chat. You should not be very lethargic. Come on, it's Sunday morning. You guys should be like fully pumped up and excited. I am here ready for you guys with the best KVPY content possible. And we guys are learning cool stuff. Okay, this question will expose you to another important good property which I will teach you, and that will take you to a higher level. Okay, so note down these good properties. Whenever you attend one session, I will teach you probably 2 to 3 good properties that you need to note down. Okay, very good, Shahid. I'm so happy that you're enjoying, man. That's awesome. CMI means Chennai Mathematical Institute. Okay. Don't worry, Olivia, you are in 10th, you have time. So just make up your mind. Like I said, Saurav, you also focus on biology and try to master your 10th standard biology because KVPY has biology in 11th standard. Okay. I'm not going to answer that, man, Saurav. You figure it out yourself. You become a scholar and then you figure it out. Okay. So guys, everybody done with this? Anyone? Yes, Venisha. Awesome, Venisha. I think you're right. You are right, Venisha. Brilliant work. Good job. So guys, what is given? ABC is a right angle triangle with A over here, B over here, C over here. Did you all understand that first line? Did you all understand the first line? Everybody clear with it? Yep. Okay, so after you guys have got the first line, what else do we know? We know that AC is equal to 6 and area of AD, what is D? D is nothing but the bisector, angle bisector. So that means this angle is equal to this angle. Are you guys clear? Everybody? Then what else do we know? We know that ADC area is 10. So this area is 10 centimeters square. Are you guys clear with that? Everybody, are you all clear with it? So now what will I do? I'll have to take some assumptions, isn't it? Exactly, Malabika. Very good, very good, very good. You are perfectly right. So let's take it as A, B and C. Are you guys okay with that? Are you guys okay with that? So can I say, please listen carefully, can I say A by 6 is equal to B by C? Did you guys know that? This is called as angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem in a triangle says that if the angle bisector from A meets at D, then BD is to DC is this side is to that side. So A by 6 is equal to BD is to DC. That is what I have written over there. I hope you guys have got it. Are you all clear? So what can I say? I can say that AC is equal to 6B. Did you all get that? Everybody? Are you all clear with that? I want you to answer. Everybody clear with it? Thank you, Chandler. That is really nice of you to say that, man. Okay, so if you guys are clear with this, then I'm gonna move ahead and show you how to complete this. Okay, so let me write down this at the top. So from angle bisector theorem, I got AB is equal to 6C, right? Is that correct? Or I got A here, 6 here, BC. So A by 6 is equal to B by C. So AC equal to 6B. Yeah. Yeah. So this is what we got. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? So now we know this is 10 centimeters square. The area of ADC. So can I say ADC area is equal to half into base. Into base is what? Base is nothing but DC. Into height. Half base into height. Height is nothing but A, B, C. So height is nothing but A, na? Height is nothing but A. So can I say half into DC is what? DC is C. So half AC is equal to how much? 10. So can I say AC is equal to 20? So if AC is equal to 20, we know 6B is equal to 20. So I can say B is equal to 10 by 3. And what do they want? They want BD. BD is nothing but B. So B is equal to, wonderful. Was that amazing? Did I use something which you guys did not know at all? I've used all the things which you know. Maybe angle bisector theorem some of you would have forgotten. But guys, you have everything which you studied below your 12th standard. Okay. So that is how you guys have to do this question. Okay. So got it? Everybody enjoyed this question? So this is how your KVPY asks. This is a wonderful example of what kind of level you should be preparing for. Okay. And don't worry guys, we will take up such more questions in the next sessions. Maybe on Tuesday, we will try to do algebra. So algebra guys, it is there for 11th standard as well as 12th standard. So make sure you attend it, okay? On Tuesday night at 10:30 p.m. So Ajo, I'm not very sure about category ranks, man. You have to check it on online. Okay, I'll give you a few questions as homework. You guys can try it. And with that, we will conclude our session, guys. Okay? I just have one question as homework. Everybody try it out and we will meet again. So if you guys enjoyed the session, the 11th and 12th standard guys, please check out the crash courses at Vedantu. Vedantu is doing amazing work for you all. If you want to be a part of an organized system, see here we are meeting weekly thrice and we will be covering one topic in one go. But if you want to be in detailed manner covering each and every topic, then please go for the pro subscription or the crash course. Crash course is for JEE Mains and the pro subscription includes everything. You can get KVPY, you can get JEE Mains, you can get JEE Advanced. So check it out, and if you guys like it, be a part of this class, be a part of Vedantu, and you will have a great journey. Okay? So with that, we will conclude our session. If you're not part of the Telegram group, definitely click on it and be a part of the group because we make all the announcements there. And with that, let's conclude. CMI entrance is going to be slightly easier than KVPY, but you have maths also, man. You're talking about physics CMI. I'm not sure about it. CMI maths, I'm very sure it is of good level. It is not very easy. It is more like Olympiad maths, Tarun. Okay. So guys, if you enjoyed it, if you loved the channel JEE Enthuse, give us some of that love by clicking on the subscribe button, by letting your friends know, bringing more and more people so that we can learn together as one big family. Okay. So will you all do that? So do that and let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the session. Do comment down also, guys, if you have any requests. If you enjoyed the session, do let us know. That pumps us up. Okay. So I want you guys to do that. Let's see in the next session on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.